Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Saana LK. Today I am here to discuss about the computer organizational architecture. In that, I chosen a topic of addressing modes and its types. Let's go through the introduction. Addressing modes are the set of rules and techniques used in computer architecture to specify how the operands of an instructions are accessed. They define the various ways in which the memory addresses of an operand can be computed are specified. Addressing modes play a crucial role in determining the flexibility, efficiency, and complexity of the instruction set architecture. This is the first type of addressing mode, that is the immediate addressing mode. This mode involves directly specifying the operand value within the instruction itself. The operand value is typically a constant or it is the immediate data. This mode is useful for performing arithmetic and logical operations on constants or immediate values. Register addressing mode, it is the second type of addressing mode. Register addressing mode involves specifying the operand using a register. The operand value is stored in a specific register and the instruction refers to that register directly. This mode is commonly used for fast access to frequently used data or for performing arithmetic operations on registers. Next one is direct addressing mode. Here, it involves specifying the operand using a memory address directly. This instruction refers to the memory address where the operand is stored. This mode is suitable for accessing data from fixed memory locations or for accessing variables in high-level performing languages. Here what? If we give an instruction that upcode, the address A will be operated to the operand. This is come under the memory. Next one is indirect addressing mode. This mode involves specifying the operand using a memory addressing stored in the register. This instruction refers to the memory address stored in the register rather than directly accessing the operand. This mode is useful for accessing data structures or whether the memory address of the operand is stored in a register. Next one is indexed addressing mode. This mode involves specifying the operand using a base address and an index or offset value. This instruction computes the effective memory address by adding the base address and the index or offset value. This mode is commonly used for accessing elements of arrays or for implementing data structures like linked sets. Next one is the relative addressing mode. This mode involves specifying the operand using a memory address relative to the program counter. This instruction computes the effective memory address by adding the relative address to the current value of the program counter. This mode is also useful for branching instructions and for accessing data within the limited range. Next one is the stack addressing mode. This mode involves specifying the operand using the top of the stack. The operand value is pushed onto the stack or popped by the stack based on the instructions. This mode is commonly used for functions calls, parameter passing, and managing call variables. Here, stack is nothing but we are adding the element to the top of the element. Popped is nothing but we are removing the element from the top of the element. The comparison of addressing mode. Addressing mode has its own advantages and disadvantages depending upon their specific applications and architecture. Some addressing modes provide faster access to data, while others offer more flexibility in addressing memory locations. The choice of addressing mode depends on factors such as performance requirements, memory constraints, and the complexity of the instruction set. Thank you. Let us end this section.